Welcome, crochet creators. Today I am going to present to you a very easy stitch to make a crochet scarf, blanket, or shawl. This stitch consists of repeating only one row. If you are still a beginner, you can implement it with complete ease and simplicity. Tell me, from which country are you watching me? And will you use this stitch to make a shawl, a scarf, or a blanket? I have a medium weight yarn. You can use any type of yarn available to you with a suitable hook. I have a 4mm hook. The stitch is easy and simple. It is a repetition of one row. I will start with the light color. I will make a slip knot and start working an odd number of chain stitches. Start working an odd number of chain stitches according to the appropriate width for your project. If you are going to make a scarf, you will work from 15 to 25 centimeters. If you are going to make a shawl, work from 40 to 80 centimeters, an odd number of chains. To start the first row, skip the first stitch as a height and go directly to the second stitch and work a single crochet. Then, go to the next stitch and work a double crochet. Repeat this across the row, a single crochet, and in the next stitch a double crochet in this manner. I have now reached the last stitch in the row, which is a double crochet. I will work an incomplete double crochet in this manner. Leave the last two loops of the stitch on the hook as shown, then pull through with the new color, as you can see. Chain 1 and start the second row. The second row is a repetition of the first row, a single crochet in the first stitch and a double crochet in the second stitch, but with the color changed only. Then repeat a single crochet, and in the next stitch, a double crochet. Note that I am securing the strands of the second color under the work as I go through the row. From here on, simply repeat the second row until you reach the appropriate length for your project, changing the yarn color in every row. The ideal length for a scarf or a shawl is between 1.5 to 2 meters.